Hi dear Leos, how are you guys doing? So this is a general love reading till mid of April you can say. So we will tap into your partner's energy and your energy and we will see what will be the outcome, okay? So right now your partner's energy is the Hermit. I think your partner is not responding to you the way you want them to be, okay? So they are working on themselves, their own spirituality, they are working on their own path, they are on their verge of finding themselves. I feel like they are working on their spiritualism a lot and they are right now in this mode of not talking to anybody much or not revealing anything to anybody much. So right now your partner is in the hermit mode, in the zone of let me be by myself, I need my space zone, okay? How they see you. Leo, your partner sees you as the high priestess, so your partner feels like you are hiding something from them, or you are acting secretive, or you're not revealing the whole truth about something to them. Okay, so basically, Leos, your partners right now are in this zone of okay, you are hiding something from them, or you are making them feel like you are there is something that you want to tell them, but you are not telling them clearly. So basically, your partner feels like right now we are not in this opening up zone or in this zone of okay let's conversate honestly or whatever it is, but basically your partner is right now working on themselves only and they feel like you are acting weird or acting secretive towards them, or there is something that you are hiding from them, okay, Leos. So what they feel about this relationship, they want to be very honest, right now they are feeling like walking away from you, Leos. They are feeling like this is the right time that they should walk away from this situation or this relationship that is no longer serving them, or they are feeling like this relationship is not in this mode of loving or caring, in this mode of loving and caring relationship. So basically they are not right now feeling in the zone of getting committed to you or getting in a relationship with you. They are trying to walk away from this situation or this relationship, or in particular from you. So Leos, what I want to tell you is that this is nothing to do with some other person or third party situation. I don't feel like there's this kind of any I feel like there's nothing present here in this kind of energy of someone else interfering, but what I feel is your person right now needs their space, needs their time by themselves. That is why they're acting like this, okay? What they want from this relationship is a star. They want this relationship to heal. I feel like they are not right now in this zone of loving you or caring for you or making a commitment to you, but right now they are trying to walk away from this situation or this relationship in particular from you, or they want to heal this relationship, they want to heal their inner strength, they want to heal their own life, they want to heal the conditions around them. I think they are going through a lot in their life right now, Leos, and that is why they are taking a step back from you and they are trying to heal every relationship in their life. The outcome from their side is the hierophant. Although they are walking away from this situation, although they are in this healing mode, I feel like they feel like yes, there is some kind of spiritual connection with you, Leos. They feel like yes, there is something between you guys that is not letting them go. That is not letting them go fully away from you. So basically, the Hierophant is telling me this is energy of spirituality. This is energy of spiritualism. The Hermit, the High Priestess, the Star, the Hierophant. These are all the four cards of major arcana that came in your partner's energy. Right now, your partner is deeply, deeply, deeply into this meditative phase, deeply into this phase of healing themselves or working on themselves, working on their spirituality, working on their own happiness, working on their own inner strength. So, right now, this is what is happening with their life, and by the middle of what to expect from them by the middle of April, they will talk to you, Leos. That is not like I don't feel like they're not talking to you or they are like just separated you, they just separated you like that only. They will talk to you and they there is something that is what I feel is they're hiding something from you maybe, or they are self-sabotaging themselves, they're hiding from themselves their own feelings, they are turning their back from this relationship, or they are turning their back from the love that you are offering to them, okay? Some kind of mysterious energy is present there, Leos. That is why this is happening. I don't feel like there's any kind of third party interference or anything, but there's something that is hidden from you, or that there's something that they feel like that is hidden from them. Basically, there is secretive energy present here, okay? And they are just turning their back from this relationship right now, from this commitment right now, from this. Uh, love feelings that you have for them right now. Okay, this is what is happening. Fine. Okay, so your energy right now is the King of Swords. Leo, you are trying to cut out all the negative people from your surroundings, or all the people that are no longer serving serving you, or you are cutting out all the people or toxic energy from your environment, including this person whom you feel like a very very strong connection with. You are just cutting them out right now because you feel like this is not working in your favor, this is not helping you fulfill your wishes or helping you to grow or whatever it is, but you are feeling like, okay, I should cut this thing, I should cut this person out of my life, I should cut the toxic people around me right now. And I am seeing a very strong air energy here, so Gemini, Libra, or Capricorn maybe. This is a sign that is related to Leos right now. Okay, yeah. So how you see your partner? You see your partner as a third, as a three of swords energy. You see your partner as a person who is hurting you, or who is very very hurt, or who needs healing, who is going through a lot in their life, and who needs healing, who needs care, who needs love. So you feel like your partner is right now going through a lot in their life, is right now going through a very bad phase in their life, and that is why maybe you are also holding back, maybe, or you are also giving them that space that they require. Okay, what do you feel about this relationship? This is the Two of Swords. You are on the crossroads about this particular relationship, Leos, to be very honest. I feel like you are feeling like whether you should wait for this person or you should let them go for the good. Leos, you are feeling like you are not able to make any kind of decision right now because somewhere deep down you love this person, but you are also on the crossroads. You are feeling like this person is not responding the way they should respond. You are also closed off about. I feel like you're also closed off about this particular relationship right now. You're also not making them feel like yes, you also love them or you want them in your life. Okay, what do you want from this relationship? This is the Seven of Cups energy. I think you have options in your life, Leos, and you don't know which way to go, which option to choose, and you want to come out of this confusing state. This is very very confusing for you, Leos. This relationship is very confusing for you. This whole scenario is very very confusing for you. You are not able to understand this person's true intentions towards you. You are not able to understand what this person wants from you. That is why you are also taking a step back. You are also closing off yourself emotionally, and you are maybe trying to reach out to some other people as well, or trying some other new options in your life as well. The energy from your side, the outcome is the Ace of Swords. I feel like you will have a new beginning in your life regarding your love life. I feel like you will have a new start in your life. You are cutting out all the negativity, all the toxicity, all the bullshit from your life, and you will come out as a winner, Leo. I feel like you will be internally satisfied with whatever you do by the middle of April, because clarifying the Ace of Swords is the King of Pentacles, uh, the Page of Pentacles, and this is the Knight of Wands. I feel like you will be working on yourself, Leos. You will be working on your pentacles, your business, your work, your own happiness, your own stability, your own career. And this is the Knight of Wands as well. I feel like there will be something good coming towards you. Might be a new offer coming towards you. Might be a new love offer. Might be somebody who's coming. Somebody is coming towards you is very very passionate. I don't feel like this is a committal energy. This is the non-committal energy, but I feel like there's somebody who is very very attracted to you physically, and they might come towards you, and there will be a new beginning in this relationship regarding a particular person. Or it could also mean that somebody new is coming to your life, and there will be a new beginning with this particular person in your life, and that is going to give you some kind of beautiful happiness, some kind of happiness, some kind of internal satisfaction. Yes, this is what I want. Yeah, okay. So I pulled three cards from the Love Oracle deck, and this is what it is telling me. Girl with a snake, empath and narcissist paradigm being charmed or used, enable boundaries. Oh my god, this is